Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Funjoy 1/9 scale action figure, Batman versus Superman. So here's the box art, super nice box art, silhouette of Batman at the middle, the circular shape at the back with the white highlights. You have the cityscape at the background. You have Superman here, and then you have the text Batman v Superman BVS 1/9 scale action figure, DC logo, Warner Brothers logo. This product is original, hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. So this is original, and there's the logo of Funjoy, and then the logo of DC. This is the seal. Tapos ito yung sa likod niya. You have the different poses, different accessories, tapos some information about the company, the brand Funjoy, product name Armored Batman and Superman set, material plastic, producer Guangdong Yuan Yangfang Culture Industry Company Limited, manufacturer Guangzhou Fanlei Culture Creativity Company, fourth floor, oh may address pa dito, Guangzhou City from China. All right. And then you have the QR codes and then the barcodes, Gilid, Batman versus Superman. Thank you again, Laro Anan, for this very, very cool action figure set. So this is the first two-pack na, na na-receive natin from Fundjoy. Kasi dati mga single pack yung mga ino-offer nila for Batman, for Superman, for Aquaman. Dami pang releases ni Fundjoy. Yan, meron din silang iba't iba pang mga characters. So try to check them out sa Funjoy na I think search nyo lang Funjoy sa Google and then lalabas yung mga iba't iba pang mga characters. Thank you very much, Laro Anan. So if you want to get other characters from Funjoy, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan. Marami siyang in-offer. Meron siyang ZD Toys, Transformers, Jada. Nandito rin yung mga custom works ko. So you can browse Laro Anan on Facebook. Madaming armors ni Iron Man. And also, if you want Batman, marami din siyang in-offer. Nightmare Batman, Armored Batman, Batfleck, Robert Pattinson. Super nice. So check them out, Laro Anan on Facebook and Shopee. Okay. All right. So here are the figures out of the box. Very cool. So, measure muna natin yung height nila. So Funjoy is about 7.5 inches tall si Batman. And I think si Superman ganun din. 7.5 inches tall din. So mas malaki siya ng konti sa McFarlane Toys. Alright, so start tayo kay Armored Batman. This is the battle damage version of the Armored Batman na nakita natin sa movie. Very nice, and yung color niya hindi siya black. Para siyang metallic gray. Tapos yung suit niya, yung undersuit niya is parang it's a cool type of gray. Tapos meron din siya mga black na segments around the armor. And then you can see the battle damage piece right here. Very nice. Wala siyang alt head. Pero grabe, stig ng pagka-damage ng armored helmet niya. Let's take a closer look right here. Super nice. And okay din naman yung paint application. Meron ding resemblance kay Ben Affleck. I really love the mga battle damage pieces kasi super cool na mga weathered look. Ito rin yung part na sa chest, and also meron din siyang mga scratches. So meron siyang level of weathering. Ay, hindi. Battle damage. Pero yung sa paint, hindi sila gumawa na any dry brushing or wash. Yung plastic na ginamit nila dito, very nice metallic na gray. Neutral gray. Dito sa inner part, cool gray. Tapos dito, desaturated gold naman. Very cool. And ganda rin ang contrast ng gold and yung para siyang Yanmar bronze na desaturated itong part na to. Hindi siya totally gray. Para siyang may hint ng bronze. Okay? Tapos itong part na to, yung gauntlets niya, it's gold. This one is gold too. And then the cape is gray, tapos wired yung cape niya. So pwede kayong mag-display ng mga dynamic poses, lalo na with Superman, you can recreate yung mga battle scenes nila dun sa BVS na movie. Okay? Alright, very nice build, very bulky. Gusto ko yung mga bulky armors. And tingnan natin yung articulations in a while. Pero grabe, astig nung ano, astig nung pagkakagawa nila dito sa battle damage helmet. And the cape is wired. Then you have the the body here. Tapos you have the stomach section. Ang ganda rin ng shoulder armor. Tapos here's the back. May mga weathering din, mga scratches. You look at the spine design. Tapos, oh, stick to. Yung parang nayupi or na-crush na gauntlet. Ito kasi normal eh. Ito parang na-crush oh. Stig. Since naglalaban nga sila ni ano ni Superman. Pati yung gauntlets niya naka ano, naka-twist. Ay yung mga spikes naka-twist din. Ang ganda ng part na yun dito. Parang dented yung ano, dented yung metal. Alright, tapos yung belt niya, it's gold. Tapos meron din siyang crotch protector. And then you have the legs. Very bulky legs. Ang ganda rin. Gustong gusto ko yung mga bulky type of armors kasi uh, ganda niyang ano, ganda niyang tingnan since bulky siya and very wide. So stable yung kanyang ano, yung kanyang figure kahit na nakatayo lang siyang ang ganyan, hindi niya na rin kailangan ng stand. So yung feet niya, ostig din ng feet, may mga spikes din for additional traction. Kahit na puro spikes yan, since magkakadikit-dikit naman yung spikes, stable pa rin siya. And nakakatayo pa rin siya. You can also do dynamic poses since kasama rin tong ano, base. Ganda ng base. Meron siyang logo na Batman versus Superman. You have the text, Batman. Ang ganda lang ginawa nila ditong stylized na text kasi dati, ang font na ginagamit nila, Arial. Dito, ano na siya, custom font. I think this is custom font for Batman v Superman. Or I think si si Fonjoy na ang nag-decide na medyo stylized yung text. Ito naman, iba rin sa Superman. So, mas naka-curve yun sa Superman. Or I think ano lang to, some kind of alignment error. Pero stick pa rin, ganda. So, this is the red logo, tapos ito yung white logo for Superman. Silver. I think this is silver. Yeah, I think that's silver. At least may variation pa rin yung ano, yung bases niya. Okay, for articulation, up. Uy, tanggal. Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Up. Very nice. Malaki pa rin yung range of motion. Down. Tapos, 360. Pwede pa rin mag 360 kahit na bulky yung armor. Okay, tapos, yung arms can rotate, can move up, outward. May rotation din sa arms. Tapos, double jointed na elbow. I think, yeah, ganyan lang kasi nakaharang tong part na to. Double jointed pa rin naman. Okay? Tapos, you can rotate the wrist up and down. Meron din siyang rotation. And then, yung body can also do the up, stretch, and crunch. So, meron siyang twist dito sa part na to. Meron din siyang twist dito, lower part. And then, sa feet naman, you can pull it down for additional motion. Kick that far. Double jointed knee that far. And you can move out, straight, kick, and back. Back, back, back. Can you do back? Yes. Ito, ganito. Tapos yung paa can rotate. Ayan. Ang ganda rin ng accessory niya, yung Kryptonite Spear. And then meron din siya, ang haba nito. Siguro mga 7, kasing tangkad niya, 7.5 inches. Very nice na sculpt. Tapos meron siyang green na Kryptonite effect sa top. Okay, tapos dami niya accessories. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra hands. And then you have the Kryptonite na launcher. And then you also have Kryptonite bullets. Yan. Medyo ingat lang kayo dito kasi nung tinanggal ko doon, nag-snap yung piece. I mean, lumipad yung piece. Buti nga nakita ko din kung saan siya lumipad. Kasi medyo mahirap tanggalin dun sa clamshell eh. So you need to pop it out of the shell. Tapos ito yung kanyang grappling gun. Super nice. Mamaya i-equip na lang natin yan. Okay? Dito naman tayo kay Superman. Superman, very nice blue armor. Blue suit. Pero astig no ano niya. Astig ng texture ng suit niya. Yun yung overall theme dito sa action figure na to. And also you have a cape pero hindi siya wired. Oh, that's weird. Kasi wired tong kay Batman pero hindi wired yung kay Superman. Oh, that's weird. Pero ang ganda nung pagka-taper ng cape dito. Hindi siya yung yinlu lang. Meron siyang folds. Dito walang folds. So yun yung difference niya. Pili na lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo. Wired na no folds or with folds with no wires. Pero astig pa rin. At least may variation. Pero sayang oh. Meron naman silang capability to do wired capes. Sayang, sayang lang. Very nice head sculpt. This is very nice head sculpt of Henry Cavill as Superman. Tapos, ganda rin ang kanyang suit. Actually, ang ganda ng blue suit niya rito. It's a dark Prussian blue na suit na punong-puno ng texture overall. We have texture overall, pati dito sa boots meron din. You have dark red, bright red, yung gold niya, DSAT gold, and also ito yung back part niya. Okay? Meron din mga muscle definition. So stig din to siguro kapag nag-custom repaint tayo and then we do dry brushing, lalabas pa yung iba't ibang texture niyan. Kasi kung yung mga dry brushing technique, ine-emphasize na yung mga different heights ng sculpt. Alright. Next, articulation. Up, down, 360. Tapos, yung cape nga sayang, walang wires. And then you can do rotation sa arms. Tapos, meron din rotation dito sa biceps or dito sa cut na to. Okay. And then, double jointed elbow. Ball joint yung kamay. Tapos, you can also do the stretch and crunch. Meron din twist, 360. I think you can do 360 there. 360 rin dito. Itong waist part naman niya, rubber naman. So, medyo loose lang tong leg niya. I think we can do something about this. Medyo loose lang tong left leg niya. Loose, oo nga, no? Oo nga, meron tayong loose test. Okay? Medyo loose siya. Tapos, double jointed knee, and then ball joint yung paa. Okay? Yun lang yung problem dito kay Superman. Itong right ba? Yeah, I think both legs are slightly loose. Pero I think magagawa naman natin to ng paraan. Para sa mga loose joints, you can use a blue tack or you can use, actually pwede natin gawin yan. Tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Kailangan natin maglagay ng additional surface na kailangan natin ipad yung peg. Para pag nilagay natin yung part, meron siyang additional surface, additional pad para kakapit siya. Okay, kailangan natin i-tighten para mag-tighten siya dun sa part. So peg and part, kailangan magkaroon ng additional space. Additional padding pala. And no space. Kasi nagkakaroon siya ng space eh. Yung space yung nagpapaluwag dun. Alright. Next, accessories for Superman. Ito yung additional head. Very nice head sculpt. Ito siguro yung mas red yung eyes niya. Wala lang siyang laser effect. Pero stig din to. You have the glossy eyes. Very nice job done by Funjoy dito sa part na to. Tapos meron din siyang 4 na extra hands. Okay. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Kung gusto niyo bumili nito, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook. Di ko alam kung magkano yung price. Punta na lang kayo, mag-send na lang kayo ng message or inquiry kay Laro Anan. So yun mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.